Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go and dive into a beautiful sunset orangey fire look that I decided to create. I wanted to keep my eyes just a little bit more on the matte side, and just the rest of the face I wanted to be very glowy and very dewy. I did use the Jaclyn Hill palette. I used the most beautiful colors in here. These are honestly one of my favorite palettes. Like, I use all these colors right over here mixed in with these beautiful reds. By the way, pause. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would take this time to do that now. All you have to do is just press that button, just press that little red button there. And I know it's gonna ask you to log in. That's probably why you haven't subscribed yet, because you forgot your credentials. That's okay. I promise you it's worth it. And that way you get notified every single time I post a video. Make sure to hit the bell though. Don't forget to hit the bell too. So subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment, like if you like the video, and if you wanna see how I get this look, keep on watching. All right guys, let's jump right into it. Let's start by priming my face with my trusty OG Skin Indeed Natural Shielding Lotion, made with 100% solar energy, prevents dry skin, shields sensitive skin, so it shields your face away from the environmental damage. What I'll do, I'll just apply this. It's my little moisturizer. It dries up perfect, like refreshing, and that's it. And then onto my makeup. But today I want to have dewy skin. I want this glow to come from within. And then my next step is an actual primer. It's the Sol Touch and Soul No Pore Problem Primer. This is like a little bit more silicone-y, so this will just completely hide away all your pores and stuff. So it just basically creates this beautiful base so you can apply your makeup. So it takes away all the imperfections. So what we first did was moisturize, and then what we do now is cover all those pores with this. Ooh, my skin is not in the best state lately. Oh, it smells so good. And I normally don't do so many steps, but like I said, I want moisturizing glow, not greasiness. So I am going to be trying the Biossance 100% squalene oil. What the hell, squalene? This hydrates face, body, and hair. And then I'm just gonna kind of add this everywhere. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. It'll probably turn out to a grease ball after this. Oh, so smooth. Prime my eyelids. This thing is so white. Why did I pick such a white color? Was I this white at one point in my life? Get my beauty blender. I know I need a new beauty blender? I need a new beauty blender, I know that. It's like, who wants to spend $24 every time you buy a beauty blender? Let's start off with the transition shade. We're gonna go to this very, very beautiful sunset. It's like the perfect, I call it sunset. I know that's not the name, but that's what I call it. And with a Sigma tapered blending brush E40, the fluffiest little cloud that will go ever on your eyelids. And shade right at the top there. This is what's gonna basically lay out the base for this entire sunset look that I have no idea what I'm gonna do. All right, now that we've laid that color out, I think I want to do a red. Let's do a more precise brush. Let's just get a little smaller brush, the Morphe M433. And I think I want to do the red right underneath that. Yeah, this is the color I'm talking about. Like, who doesn't love this? Like, look at this. It's going to go right in between that. And we're going to start blending those. You see, look at this. Do you see how it's like automatically turning into a sunset? You see that? I'm in a talky, chatty mood lately. I don't know. I don't know how you guys feel. Do you ever feel like you just kind of want to come on here and kind of talk your feelings out? My feelings for makeup, of course. See, as I did, I laid the color right underneath, not at the top, because I still want that beautiful sunset color to peek through. For the next color, I want to do a chocolatey brown, but not full brown. It needs to be still on the brick red side. So we are going to go in with this color. And I'll link all the names below. This is like a more of a, it's still reddish tone, but it's like chocolatey, a mix of chocolatey and reds in there. We're gonna add that right underneath what we just did. Right at the bottom here. Blend that in. You wanna keep a little chocolatey side to it. And I'm not just sticking to the outer corner, I'm bringing it all the way in. So just right there at the bottom. And that side here. Going back in with this color. We're gonna go to the middle of the lid. So right here is where we want that color. I want a brush that's more precise. Let's go with another brush, the same one, the original brush. Beautiful. Look at that. Bam. Let's go right in here. Gorgeous. Let's go ahead and lay down that chocolatey brown. Let's see which brown we should do. This, I'm just gonna use a flat shader brush, the MAC 232, I think it is. Okay, let's do this gorgeous dark chocolatey brown right here. Feels like a fudge festival. Just gonna apply that right on the lid, see how this turns out. Oof, you see, it's gorgeous, dark brown. That's what we want. That is what we want. Add this other chocolatey color here. So I did this one first. I want to do the one next to it because it has a little bit more of a bricky, it has some red undertones to there. Let's go in. Ooh, oh yeah. Smoky brown. Put it all over the lid. We're gonna blend out what we just did right in between, just to like, so we don't have any harsh edges of that brown that we did. So it's just a matter of blending back and forth. Let's go with this brown here. This is a true deep brown. Oh, that was the best thing I ever did. Look at this. Look at this. This is mixing right there. I look like I got punched in the eye. That's what I'm going for. Promise, this should look nice. I don't practice before doing these things. I just kind of come on camera here hoping it turns out good. I'm gonna mix these two reds. I'm gonna mix this one, I'm gonna mix this one together. This is looking pretty. Pretty damn red. Go back in with the yellowish color. And let's just go right back to the top there. We're bringing this eye look very high up. Just blend that very softly. Just go right around with that orangey color. Beautiful. I wish I had a more brighter yellow, but I looked at my stash and I have no yellows, unfortunately. Chocolate, chocolate. Just want my whole eternity to be fire right there. Sunset yellow, here we go. Right at the top. Here, we're gonna go ahead and clean up under the eyes. I'm gonna start with foundation next. Now that we've cleaned up under our eyes, let's go and start with foundation. I'm going to use my everyday foundation I've been using, the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Freshwear. Hi. What's up, Ozzy? How's life? Life's great, right? Gotta pay no bills. Just sleeping all day. That's all she does is sleep all day. You know, girl's got some dark as hell under eyes. Team no sleep. Or team sleep but wake up at 5 in the morning or 3 in the morning, 2 in the morning. We're gonna conceal with the L'Oreal Age Rewind. Very dewy concealer. All right, we're ready to go in and set what we just concealed with my favorite Mercier, most beautiful, silky, smooth baking powder. The reason why I do that first is so it can lock in the concealer, so I kind of press it so it could just lock in and the concealer doesn't move, you get no creasing. So the next thing is with the same baking powder and just like a powder fluffy brush, I'm gonna just set the rest of my face. That's a lot of powder, jeez. I like a silkiness. Silky, silky, that's what I want. We're gonna go in with a shimmery bronzer today, the Too Faced Beach Bunny Bronzer. I'm gonna keep it in between these colors here. The SEPHORA, it's like a bronzing brush, bent in many different ways. So just start carving out the cheekbones. I'm gonna be a bronze goddess today, so I'm gonna just take it to that level of bronziness and bronze up everywhere. For blush, we're gonna use the Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon. It is of that burnt orange, that feel that we're going for. That's this blush right here. Look at this, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. And for highlight, I'm gonna be using Jaclyn Hill's Champagne Pop. Ready? And I really wanna glow today. Like, this is just glowing all the way. This highlight is the best. One of my favorite highlights. It never gets old. Hi, glad you're having a good day. Highlighting more. What I usually like to do after I apply my highlight with my same beauty blender, I will go in and just kind of lightly press it. It just gives a little bit more of a natural finish. Yeah. A little chocolatey color just at the edges here. Whoa, that's so dark. Oof. We're gonna go into that beautiful bright red in the palette right here. This one, go right underneath what we just did with the red. So pretty. And I am taking it to that step that I'm just bringing it all down. I want to look like that character from Batman, Robin. That's what I want to look like today. Keeping that sharp edge right over here. I'm going to connect those two together just so it could be like a blown out smoky look. So I'm going to just connect those two right here. Then for the last part, the sunset yellow, we're going to go right underneath everything. I'm going to do eyebrows and my winged eyeliner, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner today. I will be using the Maybelline waterproof eyeliner. It's drugstore, it's nice. It's not too inky, great. My eyeliner wing never comes out right. Sometimes it's like one is up, the other one's slightly curved. It's because my eye sockets, my shape, they're not the same. I'm gonna blame it on that. I'm gonna go in with my Waterline eyeliner because I still wanna keep a nice little dark look. Apply that very carefully because this eyeliner is so soft and smudgy, it's perfect. But it can easily smudge, so just be very careful with it. Very slightly, just kind of bringing it right down. For mascara, we're gonna be using the Ulta Beauty Curled Up Mascara, this big old plump thing. For lipstick, we're gonna be using a combo of 2 MAC lipsticks. One of them is Russian Red and the other one is called Ravishing. The reason why I'm trying to do this lip combo is because I don't want a bright, just like a apple red. I want a little bit more of a burnt orangey red, so mixing these two gets me that color. So pretty. We're gonna go in with Ravishing. It's this color right over here. Has a little bit of peachiness to it. All right, guys, we are done. Hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you again so much for watching. If you got to the very end of this video, I do truly, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Just hit the red button. It's right there in the corner. This corner, that corner, I don't know, but it's here, I think. Just hit my face, hit my face. Feel free to go ahead and check out my next video. I am linking that somewhere up or above. And I will see you next time.